and welcome to another short K2 base video. My name's Kyron and here I'll be discussing the importance of seam selection in your base project. Moving straight into it, I've already drawn my roof and the pre-selected option will be a double fold seam. With this option, I can then select solid rail and single rail. Here, solid rail, and it has already been drawn. And in the results section, I will see all the fasteners suitable for this seam type with the rail type I have selected. As an example, if we use the rib roof, I will only be showing the option for one rail type. Here, it is the solid rail. Again, in the results section, I will see the fastener suitable for this seam type and this rail type, in this case, only the solid rail. And if, for example, you are unsure of the seam type or it's not in here, you're able to select other. This will give you the option of selecting solid rail or single rail in the design section. And depending on the rail type you will use, if you move to the results, you will now see every fastener which is suitable for this seam type and the rail type. In this case, this is everything we have for the solid rail. And if you were to use the single rail, you would see a range of other clamps suitable for the single rail. Thanks for watching. Hope you've learned something and hope to see you again soon. Bye.